Welcome! Today we will talk about a very interesting theory in physics called string theory. Have you ever wondered how subatomic particles, like electrons and quarks, are made? Are they point particles like billiard balls, or could they be something more complex? String theory proposes that these particles are like little vibrating strings, which is very different from what we thought before. Keep watching the video to learn more about this intriguing theory. String theory is one of the most promising theories in modern physics. It was developed in the 1980s as an attempt to unify the two fundamental theories of physics, quantum theory and general relativity. Quantum theory describes how the universe works on very small scales, such as in the subatomic world, while general relativity describes how the universe works on very large scales, such as in the cosmos. However, these two theories are apparently incompatible with each other and cannot explain all the phenomena observed in the universe. String theory proposes that instead of being point particles, as previously thought, subatomic particles are actually tiny vibrating strings. They have an extremely short length, on the order of 1 divided by 10 to the power of 35 centimeters, called the Planck length. The vibrating strings are similar to the strings on a guitar, and the different vibrations of these strings create the different subatomic particles. For example, a particular vibration could represent an electron, while another vibration could represent a quark. String theory also proposes that there are more than 4 dimensions in the universe, and that the vibrating strings move through these extra dimensions. String theory also solves the problem of quantum gravity, which is the incompatibility between the theory of general relativity and the quantum theory of gravity. String theory proposes that gravity is a force mediated by a particle called a graviton, which is a vibration of a string. However, it is important to note that string theory is still a speculative theory and has not been tested experimentally. Many more experiments and technological advances will be needed before we can conclusively prove string theory. In short, string theory is a fascinating theory that proposes that subatomic particles are extremely small vibrating strings. It could unify quantum physics and general relativity into a coherent theory.